Okay guys, so today we are doing a big unboxing. As you can tell, I am unboxing the Philips 27-inch 4K monitor. Now this monitor is running at about $249, so a little bit pricey, and it has about 640 reviews on Amazon. 4.5 star, 4 to 4.5 star, I guess. So most of you guys probably already saw my other unboxing of a monitor. Most popular video right now on my channel. Not huge popular, but a lot of you subscribers probably came from that video. But it was a monitor that I got about 10 months ago, and it was an HP monitor, 27-inch, same size, but it's only HD, so it's 1080p. And I really needed something clear for my 4K editing that I'm starting to shoot in right now. And I really wanted something higher quality and better than what I already had. So let's jump into the box here, and I will set it up and test it this time, and we will see what I think. Okay, so let's get into the big box right here. Little table, but I did try to make this to where it will work. Let's see. Let's lay it down like this. The top, oh, one spot here. And there we have that. Sorry if you can hear the squeaky of my chair, and I have a new mic up here that is pointed right at my face, so hopefully you guys don't hear that noise. And I'm really trying to pick up my quality on my videos, so better quality, video-wise, better sound, just overall talking better, so hopefully you guys like that. Smash the button if you do like this video. Okay, so let's get this out here. HDMI cord, which I do always like when they give them, because that is very nice. I already have a nicer one, but I may use that. Okay. Oh, it looks like it's actually on that side, but we'll get all the cords out this way. Okay, looks like we have the main plug that goes into the wall and then into your box. A second, oh, this actually isn't an HDMI cord. This is a different HDMI cord. I'm not sure what it's called, but definitely a different end here. I'll show that in a bit. Here is the box, charging box here that would go into your monitor. Pass it off. This taken care of. Let's get this off. Okay, and that would go right into your monitor. And then of course this right here would plug into this box here and into your wall. So this would go into here. And that would go, and that would keep your monitor on and powered. Okay, looks like we have the stand right here. That's one thing I did like about this, is it is a metal stand, very easy to attach, and it's a lot bigger than my other stand, which I think I will like. But this is solid metal right here, very sturdy, and I'll show you how to put that on in just a minute. Okay, what I'm gonna do is actually flip this over, like this, pull it out like that, off here. And take this off, and here's the monitor. And wow, it's definitely thicker than my other one, but it's very thin, surprising a 4K monitor. Oh my gosh, it is heavy too. Wow, it's a lot heavier than the other one. Several pounds. The other one's a light guy, but I guess the 4K probably boosts that up as well. Okay, and here you go. It does have a matte finish, as you can already tell, which I do really like, so you don't have that glare. But a heavy monitor indeed, very heavy. Let me show the back here. So it's just that black right here on the back. You have all your ports here, and this would go into the stand. Let's move this out of the way, and let's attach the stand here. So the stand will go on just like this on the bottom, if you can see that. And just a hand screw or a Phillips head. So that just goes on the bottom, just like this. So if you can see, it's kind of like a weird looking, circle. And then it sits down just like that. You don't have height. You just have tilting, just like the other one that I had. Let's go ahead and peel off all the plastic. This out of the way. And if you can see how that's matte there. You don't have any of that glare, which I do really like. Okay, plastic on the top and edge. Plastic here in the bottom, just like that, and it looks like you see that on button there, and Phillips right here. I'm thinking this lights up, but we'll have to see, I'm not sure. This, and let's get this off. best sound ever. And as you can see right here, it says Philips. And the back is black, which I do really like, but my monitor is going to be against the wall, so you won't be seeing the back, but I mean, hey. The HP one was cool too. Ah. Oh, it's stuck on the bottom here. Okay, just like this. Get that off. And let's get the stand off here as well. Stand plastic. I do always like when a company puts plastic on everything, just because I think that protects it and just makes it really nice and keeps it nice and shiny during shipment and all of that. Okay, so the back here, as you can tell, it has a... Okay, so it doesn't have an Ethernet port, which is kind of interesting, but it has 2 HDMI ports, and it has this plug right here, which anybody let me know what that plug is, but a very weird looking plug. You also have audio and your charging. So the last one didn't have your audio, but now you can plug speakers straight into your monitor. I usually will just transfer the sound from my computer to the monitor. That's just how I do it usually. But so let me show you that port, and you guys let me know what that port is. I don't think I've ever seen this port before. You might be laughing at me, but no, I have not seen this port. It's like this, looks like HDMI, but it is a square port. And that would go into probably a big hub or something like that, faster than your normal HDMI, but I'm not sure. Please let me know what you guys think. So what I'm gonna do is get my computer set up, and I'll show you guys how clear it is and how it all works. Okay, so that cord is called a DP cord, so I'm not too sure why it's called that. Okay, so there's this little square, kind of interesting, on the back right behind this, and okay, so here it's starting up. You push that side to side to get to brightness and all of that stuff. So let's test that. Okay, it is powering on right now, and there you have it. Oh man, oh, love it. I mean, the clarity I can already tell is incredible. Okay, so let's test out this bottom right here. So pushing it, okay, let's see right here. Pushing it up. Okay, you can switch between your ports here. Oh, okay, there you go. So the DP is called DisplayPort. So I'm not sure how that works, setting it up to different things like that. Okay, sideways is low blue mode, ports, picture, DP port, audio. Okay, so sideways brings you up to the smart image. Pick which one you want to match. I'm thinking just off. Off I think will work better. And up and down will get you sound. So volume up, volume down, as you can see right there. You click sideways to go away. And okay, it does get really dark, which I do really like when a monitor does get really dark. Okay, we're gonna bring brightness up full. And what we're gonna do here is just test the mouse. So you would have your computer right here, and your mouse would go easily between, you know, this side of the monitor and your computer. So that's what it's set right now. And I do really like that. So I'm gonna like drag this file right here over onto here. And now you have that all right here. And you can bring, you know, editing files, all of that over to here. And it is very small, but you can change all of that on the monitor, so a lot of customization and stuff like that. Okay, I do really like this monitor already. I mean, the quality is insane, and 4K, I can definitely tell that. Already, I love this monitor, and I can't wait to set it up. And that other monitor I will be getting rid of, and I will edit everything on this monitor. Thank you guys for watching. I do really like it. I will be figuring out settings and stuff like that, and I will do probably a follow-up video with all the best settings that I figured out, all the things that I didn't quite get to this video. Thanks guys, and I'll see you back in another video.